So, let's start by identifying the difference between user and end user. In the field of user experience design, one of the most important terms is user. A user is any person who uses a product. In addition, the end user is the specific audience a UX designer creates something for. Our goal as UX designers is to think about problems and needs from the end user's perspective and design an experience to meet those needs. Think of it like this. An animated movie about talking cars is designed with kids ages 5 to 7 in mind. Those kids are the movie's end users, but adults and teenagers will be in the audience too. So they're also users. User experience is how a person, the user, feels about interacting with or experiencing a product. Do you think everyone in the theater experiences the movie the same way? Not likely. But if the end users, 5 to 7-year-old kids, stay focused, laugh a lot, and cheer at the end, it's safe to say it was a good user experience. On the flip side, if those kids don't want to watch the movie again, they probably had a bad user experience. When it comes to evaluating user experience, there are a few key questions to examine. Is the product easy to use? Is the product equitable? Does the product delight the user? Does the product solve the user's problem? Answering yes to these questions are all goals of a good user experience, as we previously learned. And these are questions UX designers are constantly asking themselves to create great user experiences. As a UX designer, you will focus on the end user, acting as the user's advocate and balancing business needs. Your team members might prioritize other goals for a product, like sales or marketing. And some stakeholders might forget the fact that they are not the end user. That's why you, as a UX designer, need to keep the end user as your main priority. For example, imagine you're developing a children's toy. Your sales and marketing teammates might try to encourage parents to buy the toy. But ultimately, you need to design the toy to appeal to the child, who is your end user. Okay, now that you know the meanings of key terms like user, and user experience, so it's time to move on to frameworks.